You sweat like that. Break it down. Smooth like butter. Pour you in like no other. Don't need no pressure to remind me you got it bad.
Hello everyone, my name is Antiter Butters, but everyone could call me Butters for short. Thank you for coming in today and checking this video out. Today we'll be discussing how to make certain markdowns for your Twitch account, specifically for your channel. And so I'm going to display on how to do that here in this. And so once you're logged into your Twitch account, click on the top right corner on your icon. And as soon as you press your icon there, the drop tab will lower down. And as you scroll downward, you're going to click on your channel tab there. Once you click that, it's going to send you off to your channel display here. And so once you scroll down here, we're going to showcase my own Anteater Butters channel. And so as we scroll downward, click on your About page section here. And once we get there, we're going to get to your edit panels section, and that's where we're going to make certain edits, and we're going to show you how to make certain sections of your panel bold. If not, use remarks italics to switch it up on your text specifically. So we want to make sure that we turn on this edit panels section here, engage that on. We'll scroll downward again, and it shows the various displays and extensions I use, as well as certain panels. And here we go. And to make certain sections bold, you're going to use the asterisk remarks here. And depending on what you want to bold, you want to use two asterisk marks, and you want to place them in between the text that you would like to make bold. So specifically for me, I wanted to bold up this letter in here where it says stream schedule for Breast Cancer Awareness Month /October. And then with colon remarks here. So I wanted this to be highlighted in bold, and so I put two asterisk marks at the beginning of it as well as the end of it. And so once we look at it again, we're going to click it off so we don't want to edit anymore. And as you can see right here, the wording right here is bolded up, right? As well as certain other sections. We're looking at specifically my schedule here, and so this is in bold, right? So that whole section is going to show it in bold and won't show the asterisk marks. Say as well for my day Tuesday, I have certain asterisk marks on both sides of it. So say if you want to use the italics text for a certain subject or wording sentence of your panel, like I have here, Hot Studs Tuesdays, it's a food and drink stream. And so if you want that in any other sections of the panel, what we're going to do is go back to the edit panels. We're going to engage that on, go back towards the panel we want to work on. So let's continue working on our schedule one here. So we're going to go to the section schedule here. We're going to scroll to the area where it says the italics remark. So for italics, you're going to use one asterisk in front of the phrase or sentence you're trying, or word you're trying to use the italics remarks on. So I put one in front of here, this whole front statement, and then at the end remark right here. So this whole statement should be with the whole text should appear in italics. So that's part of how you use it. So again, 2 for bold, 1 for italics. And so we're going to move on and try to figure out what we do next. To make a header, you could do that as well. So basically make some headers in the panels, and that's going to be a little different, right? Very similar, but slightly different. Instead of using italics, it uses hashtags. And so say if you want to say make this specifically, let's scroll towards the right now I am doing a fundraiser, and if I want to do a link in there, we could do that. I'm going to show you how. And so basically if you would like to do say like a heading, right? I have this entire thing as a heading, basically, right? And it will, the front here, I'm sorry, specifically this as a heading where it says donation link. Not only is it bold because I'm using the two asterisks in front of it and after it, where it says donation link specifically for that statement, but it has a hashtag. So putting one hashtag makes it the biggest heading they have, which is the like number one setting. Then if you like to make that a different setting, which makes it the second header, you put a different header with below it, but instead of using the one hashtag, you're going to be using two. So you're going to have two hashtags like that in front of the statements, and it's going to appear different. Or if not, the third one, you're going to stick up to 3 in there, and it's going to change it. So you go up to 3 hashtags and make it a third heading. So a 1, 2, 3 headings in there, and into one panel specifically. It's going to change it for that. So if you want that heading, there's 3 available. So just make sure you use a hashtag, space, and then the statement heading. And you could use up to 3 different headings. So heading is #1, #2, or #3. It requires different ones. And that's how you do it. If you want to provide a link as well, like we do here specifically, you're going to provide a different statement for that. So for that, say, like here, I am putting a donation link here, right? This is a donation link, right? So in order for you to make your own, right, this is a link to write in. So you're gonna put uh the basically the name of where you want to go, right, and the address, right, of where you're trying to link people to go. So if it's a Twitch link that you want people to provide, you're going to say it's a Twitch link, right? So the name of the link is Twitch, and here's the link, and you put it under parentheses. So this is basically how you link it up. So just like here, I am fundraising specifically for breast cancer research fundraiser, and this is their name for their website, and this is the website address, and it's under parentheses, and the name of it is under these remarks, and that is how you do that. So we're gonna remove this because I don't want that there, and that's how you do it. Appreciate coming and checking it out. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll feel free to answer as many questions as I can as possible. Have a good one.